Okay, look, if you're like me and you naturally gravitate towards sugar or sugary sweet things, you need to check out these strawberry sea moss flavors from Healthy Herb Store. This one is the strawberry banana, which is my favorite, my two favorite fruits in the best thing ever, literally sea moss, and then just plain old juicy strawberry. People are loving these because they have an amazing flavor by itself. There's no sweeteners added except for monk fruit. It literally smells sweet and just like strawberries. And monk fruit is the healthiest sweetener, so even though it tastes nice and sweet and you can put it on your toast for a dessert, it's not bad for you. The strawberry banana has been getting me through it. Like I said, I even put it on toast in the morning like jam, or I'll mix it into my yogurt bowl and top it with some granola to start my day. And it gives me that sweet boost in the morning that I need without all the sugar. I don't know anybody who doesn't love a good strawberry banana combo. And when you put these in smoothies, oh my gosh, it turns it up to a whole nother level. You don't even have to add the strawberry and banana to your smoothie if you add this sea moss, but you still can on top of it, and it's just so fulfilling to my sweet tooth. So don't let anyone tell you that you can't have a sweet tooth and still be healthy, because I'm doing it with my strawberry sea mosses. And you guys, run, don't walk, because this is the best sea moss you will ever try.